Learners, welcome to this lesson. We will discuss definition of biology and branches of biology. First, let us begin with definition of biology. The word biology is derived from two Greek words, bios and logos. Bios means life. On the other hand, logos means knowledge. Therefore, biology is defined as a branch of science that deals with the study of living things. And there are diverse or different forms of life on Earth, ranging from the invisible, microscopic living things to the gigantic life forms. Invisible microscopic living things are those tiny or small microorganisms we cannot see with our naked eyes, and they require the aid of an apparatus called the microscope for them to be enlarged or magnified. Gigantic life forms are big organisms and include animals like elephants or even you. Those are gigantic life forms. Biology also aims at explaining the living world in terms of scientific principles. It is important to note, however, that living things interact with non-living things in the surrounding or the environment. The other term used to describe environment is the surrounding. And non-living things are usually referred to as abiotic components of the environment. And living things interact with the non-living components of the environment like water, temperature, wind, light, among others, for their survival. Biology therefore also entails the study of non-living things as well. Let us go ahead and discuss branches of biology. Biology is a broad field of knowledge, and it is subdivided into two broad branches. The first one is zoology, and this is a branch of biology that deals with the study of animal life. Check the spelling well. It is O, zoology. Okay. Botany is the other branch, and it deals with the study of plant life. Do not interchange zoology with botany. Zoology deals with animal life, botany, plant life. Those people or scientists who study animal life are called zoologists, while those that deal with plant life are called botanists. There are smaller branches of biology, and they include ecology, and it is the study of interrelationships or interactions between organisms and their surrounding. Ecology is further subdivided into smaller branches, which are forest ecology, marine ecology, and rangeland ecology. Ecology is a topic that will be discussed in Form 3. Genetics is another sub-branch of biology, and it deals with the study of inheritance or acquiring of characteristics from parents, which are passed to the offspring, and variations, which are differences observed between individuals. So genetics deals with the study of inheritance and variations. It deals with how variations or the differences occur between parents and their offspring. So the other term used to refer to offspring is the young ones. So there are differences between us and our parents. We do not always look alike. There are several differences, and those differences are what we are calling variations. It is also concerned with how various characteristics or traits are passed on from parents to offspring, and when they are passed on from parents to offsprings, we inherit or we acquire those characteristics. This topic of genetics will be covered in Form 4, the first topic. Entomology is the study of insects. there are some insects like butterflies, house flies, grasshoppers. So the study of such insects is called entomology. Parasitology is another branch, and it is the study of parasites. Some parasites include ticks, which attack cows. Even human beings are attacked by parasites like roundworms, and they cause harm to the host or the animal which they live in, because they obtain nutrients from them and cause damages like poor health. Physiology is another sub-branch, and it deals with the study of the functions of various structures of an organism. It deals with the processes that take place in the body of organisms. Physiology will be covered in chapter 3 of Form 1. The processes that take place in the body includes osmosis, diffusion, active transport, among others. So physiology studies these processes that takes place within the cells of an organism. The other one is anatomy, and it is the study of internal structure of organisms. Internal structures include the heart, the kidney, the lungs, among other structures. So the study of such internal structures is called anatomy. Microbiology is another branch, and it is the study of microorganisms or tiny organisms. The other branch is called bacteriology, and it is the study of bacteria. We have ornithology, which is the study of birds. Remember, these an R here between O and N, ornithology, but we pronounce it ornithology. We have ichthyology, which is the study of fishes. Remember not to interchange ornithology with ichthyology. That marks the end of the lesson. Complete this assignment. Goodbye.